Asia's Most Admired Brands and Leaders features the odyssey of prominent brands and leaders across Asia that have redefined consumer expectations, created value for its products, and excelled to create trust amongst its customers.
Well, consumer love is very difficult to get. Brands which are sustainable, have continuous consumer engagement, and of course are constantly innovating, especially with today's hyper digital age. That's what makes brands admired.
Let's have a look at some of the brands featured.
ज्यादा वैसे तो ये एक छोटा सा शब्द है.
Jupiter, TVS's flagship scooter brand, is targeted at a middle-aged, married, self-employed family man. TVS Jupiter has always stood for innovative, easy-to-handle and environment-friendly products backed by reliable customer service.
Jupiter.
ज्यादा का फायदा.
Launched in 2007, TVS Apache RTR was the first bike to be positioned on the racing platform for the true blue racing enthusiast. The product itself is developed by the TVS Racing Team, one of the most successful factory-owned motorcycle racing teams in the country. Adani Wilmar Limited is one of India's fastest growing food-based companies with an annual turnover that exceeds $2.8 billion. Fortune, the #1 flagship brand of Adani Wilmar, develops products specific to these varying consumer preferences. Fortune's vast edible oil portfolio comprises of oils made from soybean, sunflower, rice bran, mustard, groundnut and cottonseed.
At Adani Wilmar, we constantly endeavor to remain to our core value of surviving or living for the healthy growing India. At Adani Wilmar, we look into each and every product that we designed. How is it benefiting to the larger interest or the health of the country?
Cargill Foods India has a host of leading brands in the edible oil and wheat flour categories. Nature Fresh, Gemini, Leonardo Olive Oil, Rath and Sunflower Vanaspati cater to households across the length and breadth of the country. With focus on nourishing lives, these brands work towards creating healthier, happier families.
It feels great to know that these brands are among the 32 brands from India which have been qualified for the list of 100 most admired brand in Asia. It definitely boosts our confidence when we learn from Whitepage International that these brands have been shortlisted and chosen on the parameter of brand trust by the consumers, brand growth due to its value proposition and innovation quotient.
Way back in 2001, when Max Life was formed, it set out with the vision to become the most admired life insurance company in India. Over the years, the brand has made several success strides to earn the faith and confidence of millions of policyholders. Max Life strongly believes that being honest and transparent is the only way to build trust in a complex category like life insurance.
What we sell most importantly as the product is the promise that we make to our customers. These promises are built on trust. And hence trust becomes one of the most important cornerstones of our brand. Of course, to earn this trust and to keep winning it successively, we have to make sure that we keep these promises.
Godrej Interior is well known for bringing alive the customer's dream space by emphasizing comfort and aesthetics while delivering well-designed, fun and functional furniture solutions. Today it offers its consumers a plethora of options for home and office furniture along with solutions for laboratories, hospitals and healthcare establishments. VIP Frenchie, India's leading brand which manufactures unique and stylish briefs, took the country by a storm through its innovation in the underwear industry. The launch of Frenchie in the 80s marked the advent of the mini brief in India. Original in concept and design, Frenchie gave the young urban Indian male a taste of international style.
VIP Frenchie has been there since I said for the youth, always attracting the opposite sex. From time to time we had been changing our positioning for the brand, where it comes from a macho man to a cool dude man, the young Indian who is there in the market, and always attracts to the opposite sex, which makes a big impression. That's our tagline too.
Billcare Limited has set a benchmark in clinical packaging and labeling industry. Let's have a look at some of India's brands featured.
मेरी लाइफ में एक चीज की बड़ी कमी है,
Widely known to deliver quick results on its promise of turning dry and rough skin into happy skin overnight, Boroline is a brand that has always let the product do the talking.
तो आज से बोरोलिन हर रात.
MBJ, one of India's prominent fine jewelry luxury brands, has always been renowned for their quality and the antique style of their jewelry.
With the rich experience of crafting jewelry for royalty since 1897, we have upheld our vision of highest standards of craftsmanship. With consistent quality, customer relationship, and customer design being the hallmark of our brand MBJ.
मेरा नया पिजन 3 बर्नर स्टोव साधारण स्टोव नहीं है, मैजिक स्टोव.
Pioneers in ultra-modern kitchen solutions, Stovecraft strives to make every product meet the needs of the consumer. Their diverse portfolio of product includes pressure cookers, non-stick cookware, induction cooktops, grinders, among others.
As Stovecraft, it's a proud and happy moment for us, as Pigeon has been chosen India's most admired brand in 2016 in the kitchen appliances industry by White Page International.
This new distinction readies us for more responsibility. This year, we continue to provide higher customer satisfaction through innovation and quality excellence, thereby delivering
More smiles.
Microlabs today happens to be one of the flag bearers of affordable and quality medicines in India. Contemporary manufacturing facilities, cutting-edge laboratories, quality research and a strong distribution network have put the organization in the forefront of pharma industry.
Dolo has been winning awards quite frequently in the past 5 years. Being selected as India's most admired brand is yet another feather in the cap and one of the finest moments in this journey. We are very happy that Dolo continues to be the favorite of the medical fraternity, and also it meets the therapeutic needs of millions of patients across the country.
For over 4 decades, Nahar Group has built 15 million square feet of prime real estate landmarks that are both luxurious yet sustainable. Since its inception, they are expanding in integrated townships, lifestyle residences and industrial space. From having built elegant residential homes to quality commercial and retail spaces, Rajesh Life Spaces deserves the title of being one of the leading realty developers across Mumbai.
A 53-year-old legacy that has created 8 million square feet for 12,000 very happy families. We currently have a total of almost 29.7 million square feet of construction between upcoming and ongoing projects. All of this across the choicest of locations. Thank you, White Page International, for putting this together for us, for making us one of the most admired brands of India.
Firefly LED Products Private Limited is one of the most successful manufacturers and suppliers of LED lights in the country.
The admirable factors that make our brand Cosmo stand apart from the rest are expertise, range, volume, quality and value for money.
Very few automobile brands make a statement the way Scorpio does. Launched in June 2002, Scorpio was a great leap forward for the Indian automobile industry. Equipped with a powerful engine and exuding a macho style, Scorpio redefined the SUV space in a broader sense. Keeping quality and comfort in mind, Lux Cozy is a leading brand in manufacturing men's innerwear and undergarments.
Meera, lovely homes in these Godrej properties, huh? Kal jaake check kare?
Godrej Properties brings the Godrej Group philosophy of innovation, sustainability and excellence to the real estate industry. Godrej Properties is currently developing residential, commercial and township projects spread across approximately 10.67 million square meters in 12 cities. From automotive, BFSI, energy, education, food, furniture and interior solutions to healthcare, lifestyle, infrastructure and IT services. The resultant list of 100 most admired brands speaks volumes of brands that have created a legacy in the Asian economy.
Building brands is a beautiful journey, and to all those who have made it to the final 100 of Asia's most admired brands, congratulations. To the stakeholders, to the CEOs, to the owners of business, to the CMOs, to the CFOs and the respective teams in these companies, this is an amazing job you all have done.
I would really like to congratulate all the winners, all the business leaders, the CEOs, the CMOs of the selected brands that they have made it to the top 100 of Asia's most admired brands and the top 50 of India's most admired brands.